Hey y'all, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Halloween Jeffree Star mystery box. Funny story, I bought the one on the bottom. This is the deluxe, I believe, and the deluxe was $75. And then my husband tells me that he bought me the deluxe, which was $40. So unfortunately, I do not have the Supreme box, which was $160, which is crazy. And I can't even remember how many items or how many exclusive items there are. I believe there's one Halloween collection item in each box. And I think there is one exclusive item in each box, which I think is a really good deal. So what do y'all think of my mantle? Me and my husband had so much fun decorating for Halloween this year. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom y'all in really fast, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. So of course I'm gonna start with the smaller. This is the deluxe box. Ooh, so I see something wrapped immediately. Oh my gosh. Looks like a palette. Gosh, this is like my favorite color ever. And this is the mini breaker palette. This was from the Jawbreaker collection. I can't believe this is in the deluxe box, because this itself is like, I think $40 or something. I have the big palette. I didn't get the mini Jawbreaker. I'll go ahead and just open it up. But this packaging is like seriously my favorite. So it is a very small palette, and you have 9 shades, and wow, these are really pretty. But I don't know if I'm gonna keep this, y'all. I can't decide. But I really like this brown, and I really like this and all the pink. Do I need it? No. But do I want it? I'm gonna have it already, so we'll see. And there's a nice mirror in here. This would be great for traveling. And I think these colors are perfect for fall, winter, even going into spring. This is a nice palette. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is kind of crazy. So there's 3 things left, and they're all lipsticks. But Jeffree Star lipsticks are like, what, like 20 bucks a pop? Oh my gosh. So I got a velour liquid lipstick, and this is the one that looks like a Halloween. Another velour liquid lipstick. And this is a lip ammunition, and oh my god, this is my favorite color. Oh my gosh, I'm just in shock. Okay, so let's open her up. So this is the shade Cherry Wet. This really isn't a color I would wear. I might give this to my sister. This is kind of a rosy pink, and I just don't think these colors look good on me. So I might give that one away. Now this is another velour liquid lipstick in the shade Soul Sucker. A shade meant for me, but I'm scared to see what color. I mean, Halloween. Whoa. I'm gonna have to get a close-up of this. This is insane. It's black with orange glitter or gold reflect in it. Oh my gosh, should I put it on? Wow. Wow, that is black, but it's a little sheer, so hold on. Wow, can you see that? It's like a bronze glitter in it. This is so cool. This is very unique. I actually didn't wear lipstick. I forgot to put one on. Should I put one on? This is the lip ammo, or lip ammunition. I forgot this. Yes, the lip is that same color. Oh my gosh. This is brown sugar. I'm gonna have to do some B-roll of these lipsticks because this is insane. It's a bronzed glitter for the lips, shimmer. I want to put these all on. I want to put this one on for right now. Oh my god, it's so smooth. Literally brown sugar on my lips. Now it's gritty because of the glitter, but this is probably a good topper for like a nice nude lipstick. But if you wanted to add some glitter or something, I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh. Now for the, which one is this? It's deluxe. I'm sorry, this whole time. This is the premium. Premium. The premium was $40. This is the deluxe. It was $75. So I'm gonna go ahead, I've already cut it open. I see clothing. Oh my gosh, it's a t-shirt. And it's a small. Oh my gosh. Can't relate. That is literally me. Oh my god, and the snapping fingers, I die. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff. Okay, well, automatically, I see this, which makes me think it's the same exact palette that I just opened, so. Aww. It's okay though, it's okay. I can give this one away and probably give the other one away. I'm just like not obsessed. I feel like these would make good Christmas gifts, so that's okay. I don't see any more eyeshadow, so, but I see there's so much stuff in here, y'all. And this is the middle tier one, a Skin Frost. Ah! I've never tried one of these and I've always wanted to touch one. This is a Halloween collection one in this shade, Mystery Frost. I die, I'm so excited. Okay, oh, I thought the packaging would be black, but that's okay. It's hot pink. I didn't think these things would be that big. Oh my gosh. Skin Frosts are supposed to be highlighters. Okay. B-roll of this Skin Frost in the mystery shade. Oh my gosh. So it's gold, it's bronze, it's peach, but it's got black flecks in it. I have to touch it. Whoa. So it almost makes those black specks, I think, once you mix them all together, it gives it like a grayish kind of, I don't know how to explain this. So it would give you like almost like a gray cast, and I don't think a lot of people would like that, but I think for the Halloween and stuff, this would be really cool for a lot of costumes, like if you're like over your contour and stuff, just to give it that extra dimension, but it also has that cool toned effect. So I don't know, this could be cool. Maybe it could go over your bronzer or contour, maybe not so much highlight, but that's really cool. Okay, next is a Liquid Frost. I have one of these and I love it. This is in the shade Goddess. Ooh, this might be too dark. I want to see if it, yeah. This would look beautiful on somebody with medium to deep skin. Wow, it's so gorgeous. I mean, if I had a tan, maybe, but I think, gosh, I think somebody else could wear this so much better. I feel like this box is just huge. 3 lip products. I got a gloss. I've always wanted to try the glosses. Okay, this is in the shade Sky. What color is it? It's gray. It says Sky High. I'm kind of scared. Oh my gosh, this component is everything. Oh wow, it has, so it's a white gloss and it has reflexive blue and green. Kind of reminds me of the 90s and early 2000s. Oh yeah, this is frosty and I love it. I still love frosty lip products, and my best friend Abby used to just get on to me when we were in college for wearing this frosty pink lipstick. She'd be like, do not wear that. I think I still have it too. Okay, so this is a velour liquid lipstick and this is in the shade Soft Serve. So this looks like a peachy color and these colors don't, yeah, let me see. I have something similar to this from a Kylie lip kit. It was the peach one. It was the really popular peach one. I can't think of the name right now, but his lipsticks are so good, so I don't know what I'll do. And another lip ammunition. Oh my gosh. I don't know if y'all can see that from there. This is in the shade Candy Freeze. I'm excited. This looks like a hot pink. And it's a hot pink glitter. This is the most beautiful lipstick I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god, I need to go get a makeup wipe and just show y'all all of these. That is gorgeous. So it's a hot pink, but it has some more gold, I feel like, and a little bit of like just silver metallic. And these would be good lip toppers. Like if you had a matte lipstick or something and you wanted to shine on the top. Ooh, gorgeous. I almost forgot. There's this at the bottom. And this is probably a mirror. Spoiler alert. These, I have, what, 3 mirrors now? Oh man, it matches me right now. Hi, how are ya? That was well over $75, easily. I had a piece of clothing, 3 lip products, a mirror, a palette, a skin frost, and the liquid frost. What? $75. That's the medium one. This is the deluxe. So that was the medium box. The first one was the premium. That was $40, and that was a lot of stuff. I'm really in shock. Like, I can't imagine what the big box is. I absolutely love doing mystery boxes. This was my first Jeffree Star mystery box. I did the eBay mystery box, which was so much fun. A lot of these products I can use for the fall, winter. I'm really excited, oh my gosh. And obviously my family loves Halloween. This was so much fun. Thank you to my husband for buying me the premium box when he didn't know I bought the deluxe one. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye y'all.